Brahmand Bharat, trusted manufacturing, with a unique mission to make India number one in manufacturing. Today in manufacturing sector, vendors and customers are dealing with each other with underdeveloped conventional means, and hence there is a huge gap between vendors and customers. In current scenario, both vendors and customers are facing issues, and despite having good capability, vendor is not able to reach to reputed customers. At the same time, other sectors like IT, banking, telecom are fastly growing with the help of advanced technologies. Brahmand Bharat, who understand this scenario, who understand advanced technologies with passion and determination, came out with a unique concept to make Indian industries more competitive. Let us have a look around the industrial space to understand what issues being faced by vendors, what mean by quality vendors, what issues being faced by customers, what mean by reputed customers, what Brahmand Bharat will do in this mission to help out to vendors, and what vendor has to do in these regards. Issues faced by vendors. Most of the vendors are dependent on few customers, and hence their business fluctuate as order flow from customers fluctuate. If something goes wrong with these few customers, vendor become helpless. Most of the vendors can't generate new business as they lack dedicated marketing team. In a market, there are many reputed customers, but vendor is not aware of them. And if vendor knows these customers, but with available resources, they can't reach to decision makers. Sometimes vendor reach to new customers and remains unaware of their business practices, which ultimately leads to financial losses. To move on positive note, industry needs quality vendors. Quality vendor means they do quality work, they give on-time delivery, they offer competitive cost, and most importantly, they should be ethical, passionate, and should have quality in attitude. It is not only vendors, customers also face issues. Most of the customers depend on vendor data possessed by purchaser and project head. If such an individual left the customer, data also goes away. Customers possess data in unorganized manner, causing deals with vendors ineffective. Today, many customers have vendor development department just for namesake. They don't have mechanism to judge vendor suitability in terms of quality, cost, and delivery. And most importantly, they don't have mechanism to track work progress at vendor's place. This further affects customers' prospect. Every vendor looks for repeated customers. A repeated customer means having good business prospects, and along with customer, vendor also grows. They have good business practices like on-time payments and clearly stated terms and conditions. They regularly assist vendor to enhance skill and quality and also help in adversities. To take on these issues, Brahmand Bharat with advanced technologies has laid down solution in following steps. Step 1. Collection of authentic vendor information. Step 2. Development of communication interface among vendors and customers. Step 3. Creating one-stop information hub for industry. With this, vendor will be benefited. There will be addition of new customers. There will be saving on marketing cost. Vendor will get aware of customers' business practices. They will get help in skill and techniques development. They will get rid of constraint like personal favor at customer's end. Vendor will develop their own terms and conditions, and with improvements and developments, vendor will be recognized. Ultimately, this will help industry. There will be trust development among quality vendors and reputed customers. The organized culture will bring new customers in the industry and will make India best destination for manufacturing. In this regards, what vendor has to do with Brahmand Bharat? Vendor need to provide complete information about work, infrastructure, and skills. They need to focus on quality, delivery, and cost, and vendor need to follow guidelines given by Brahmand Bharat. Let us move together and get on a mission with Brahmand Bharat to make India number one in manufacturing. Thank you.